Welcome to Smart.bio. In today's video, we've got something exciting to share, especially if you've ever found the perfect job but couldn't find it listed on our platform. Well, we've got you covered. We've made it simple to not only add that job to Smart.bio, but also generate a tailor-made CV based on that exact job description. All of this is possible through our applications feature. Let's walk through how it works. Start by going to the Promote Yourself tab and clicking on Applications. If you've applied for jobs before, you'll see a list of past applications. If not, your page will be empty for now. Click on Add Your First Application. This is where the magic begins. Find the job vacancy that caught your eye, whether it's on Google, LinkedIn, Indeed, or any other platform. Then copy and enter the key information, the company name, location, hiring manager if known, and the original job description. Once that's done, hit Save. Now you can begin creating a job profile. You can choose one of the templates we've created, or you can start from scratch by entering the job title and required skills. Either way, it's a simple copy and paste process. Next, adjust the competency levels for the role. This helps align the job expectations with your personal profile. Now let's move on to creating your CV. This step is quick and straightforward. Just drag and drop the information you'd like to include, such as your experience, skills, and education. If you need help, we've linked a full tutorial on how to build your CV using Smart.bio. Finally, it's time to create your cover letter. When you click on the cover letter section, a draft version will already be generated for you. We recommend that you personalize it further. To make that easy, you can use our built-in AI tool to help you write a cover letter tailored to the job. Simply click Help Me Write, enter the key details, choose the tone you want to convey, and hit Save. After that, your vacancy will appear in your profile. It's only visible to you, and it's there to help you manage your applications. You can download your CV and your cover letter, and apply through the method listed by the company, whether that's via their website, internal portal, or a job board. And that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching, and enjoy using Smart.bio to generate personalized job applications and professional documents that help you stand out.